So today I'm about to show you how to set a reminder on a node in Flowit.io. First, open Flowit and go to the canvas where your project tasks are assigned. Hover your cursor over the specific node you want to track and click the three dots or the bell icon to open the node options menu. Select Set Reminder or Schedule Task. Choose your specific date and time from the calendar dropdown and type in a brief alert message. When the time arrives, Flowit will push a notification directly inside your dashboard or automatically have Agent Neo send an update to your email. Pro tip: use an approval node right before a scheduled notification or email task to prevent Agent Neo from accidentally sending out half-finished work while you're away. And that's it. That's how to set a reminder on a node in Flowit.io. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you in the next one.